Ohm's law, and then we stated the general formula, and then the formula describes the law according to George Simon Ohms. It says that the current that passes through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance, provided the temperature and other physical factors remains constant. Okay, so every other thing is constant, so K is equal to constant. So if K is 1, then we have that current actually is equal to V over R. Okay, so this is what George Simon Ohms tries to explain, and we can also represent it using a magic triangle. And then in the magic triangle we have this as a V, and this is our I, and this is R. Okay, so V is equal to IR if we close this place, and if we close this part of the rectangle, we have I as V over R. Okay, and then if we close this part of the rectangle that houses R, we now have that R is equal to V over I. So this is actually the necessary quantities that makes up an electric circuit, although there are other quantities, but let's look at a simple circuit. Now we have a simple circuit in this format. And then in this simple circuit we have a potential difference of voltage, and then we have current. Okay, current flows from the positive polarity, and then it is also being opposed by resistors. So resistor actually opposes the flow of current, and here is a V, here is a I. Okay, so let's take for instance that in a circuit we have that the voltage or the potential difference across the circuit is 20 volt, and then the resistance is given as 5 ohms. Okay, the resistance is given as 5 ohms. So what is the current? What is the current? So to find the current, we have to also look at this formula here. So you look at our formula here, that current is equal to V over R. So we have that current is equal to V over R. So here now current is V. Our V is 20 volt over our resistance is 5 ohms. So 20 divided by 5 will actually give us 4 amperes. Okay, so the current is 4 amperes. Here you see that the voltage is 20 volts. The current that passes through the circuit is 4 amperes, and you can represent also this in a graph. So if we plot the graph of voltage against current, okay, so you discover that this will be a straight line graph because voltage is directly proportional to current. So it means that as the voltage increases, the current also increases.